The following is the procedure to reverse the door swing on an Infinity Series refrigerator or freezer. Be sure to wear appropriate PPE when performing this procedure. The tools and supplies we will be using today are number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, lubricant, gloves, safety glasses. Turn power off at on-off switch and unplug unit from outlet. Remove 4 screws on the lower kick panel. Slide the panel forward to remove. If the unit has a keypad lock, the door must be open to remove the kick panel. Remove 2 screws at the top of the door panel. Rotate the facade and disconnect all wires. Label them if necessary. Set the facade aside. Remove the cable from the wire clips and carefully thread the cable down through the top hinge and out the bottom hinge. Open the door 90 degrees. Partially back out the left screw on the top hinge. Leave the screw partially engaged. Fully remove the right screw on the top hinge. Support the door and lift up and remove the top hinge bracket. Lift the door assembly out from the bottom hinge and set aside. Replace the right top hinge screw. Screw in the backed out screw fully. Remove the bottom hinge bracket and reinstall the screws. Remove 4 screws on the left side of cabinet for reversal process. Swap the grommets below the left and right bottom hinges so the cable can be run through the grommet with the hole. Mount hinge taken from top right onto the lower left-hand section of unit with screws. Remove the outermost screw from the doorstop bracket. This tri-lobe screw is different from all the others and must be used later in a specific hole. If possible, mark or label this screw. Remove the remaining 2 screws and stop bracket, including the wire clip. Remove and relocate the door filler bracket to right side of door. This includes screws and wire clip. Relocate the doorstop bracket to the left side of the door. The doorstop bracket must be turned 180 degrees for installation. Use the tri-lobe screw on the outermost hole. Install the 2 remaining screws to secure the stop bracket. Partially seat rightmost screw into unit. Set the door on the bottom hinge and fully seat the door. While supporting the door, insert the remaining hinge into top of door. Engage hinge onto partially seated screw. Open door 90 degrees and insert remaining screw and then fully tighten both hinge screws. While door is open, add a small amount of lithium grease to top and bottom hinges. Carefully move the cable from right side of divider to the left side. Route cable through grommet and hinge and up to top left side of refrigerator. Secure cable in clips. Make cable connections and reassemble.